Oh no!
Oh, there's a bad one, bad one. Oh my gosh. Oh. Are you guys going down pipeline?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys can go first. Oh, wait,
Yeah? What's the matter? You ready? Go. Your water bottle, Peter, fell out. Yeah, the thing came loose. So you need to go get your water bottle. Come on, try this.
I skipped that for 2 reasons. I thought it was gonna be slow because you stopped.
The thing's loose, that's why it fell out. Not having a good day, Peter. You can't just leave that. I didn't even know it fell off.
Alright.
Ah, my leg. This is gonna fall off again.
Yeah, just always watch your back. Like, listen. Alright, same thing. Just keep it nice.
Nah, that's why.
Yeah.
Might do that and see if that's closed down there.
Oh, Breakout, yeah. I'm gonna send you the lower one. Alright. I'm gonna go down the small one. Yeah, I'm going down. One of those guys are going down.
Not at like good enough speed.
Oh, Breakout's open.
Open?
Yeah.
No.
I already know what they might be going. Are you guys going down?
No, we're slow.
Alright, thank you. Oh, Peter, what's he?
You try Breakout. You almost killed me. Oh, they open?
Yeah. I wonder if Tempest opens back up.
That one kid on the Santa Cruz with the white curly hair is a beast.
Yeah.
The whole time? Or? No, like you'll see it on the right.
Oh shoot, those guys, watch out.
You gonna take his water? He is like unbelievable. He's gonna kill someone.
How do you do that, man?
How was that? I think he got a little faster. I cleared all of them. Yeah, I almost did.
Where? Where? Oh. Oh, that's the
One fucking line, man. Fucks me up every time.
Which one?
With the rough.
Oh.
Yo, Peter, let's go.
Compress?
Do that. Peter.
Honestly, I feel like I don't need it. I hit the rock and I compress, and then I lose all my fucking speed and my flow, and I have to start over. I don't
So
know.
what's going on with him?
Yeah, I don't know.
We gotta watch somebody who knows what they're doing on it.
Probably that dude was the dude to watch. He just went. But he stopped before it.
What's going on?
You guys waiting for somebody?
Him.
Yeah.
Fireball holder's all loose. I lost a screw.
Go ahead of us? No, you guys could go.
Yeah, you guys could definitely go.
Yeah.
I haven't ridden far in a while.
Alright, just,
This thing.
Peter, give me a water.
yeah. We just have to get to,
Throw it?
Oh, bring it over here.
we just have to make it to the bottom. Then we're going in the truck. Yep, oh.
Simple pleasures.
Yeah.
Seriously, it takes so much.
That's a fun section.
Oh, Peter.
What deviant's there? You that one? No, that's Dominion. Oh.
Are you guys going through Breakout?
We're waiting for those two, yeah.
You guys gonna bring the little ones here now?
Oh yeah, you definitely. We got more time.
Alright, you ready, guys? Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
That greenhorn, that new greenhorn is like
Yeah, it's hard.
terrible for kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Terrible for anybody.
Yeah. You know what? I just think that too. When we went down Greenhorn, that was much easier the first time around. There's some demons out here, man.
Dude, those trails.
Look at them. That's like the best thing to do. Like, see how they have a whole train?
Yeah.
Like 8 of them.
Dude, those trails don't join, right?
What? Breakout?
That those little kids just went on.
No. Breakout and Pipeliner, perpendicular or parallel.
I'm taking this off.
No, don't. Holy crap.
Oh, that's it.
Here, we're going to the truck right now. Just make it to the bottom alive, then we're going to the truck. Oh, you have to hold? It doesn't fit in the bag? Peter, I might have room for me. Here, wait, stay right there.
And then I lost screws on the water bottle holder.
That's probably going off then.
Alex, did he talk about which green trail?
Peter, remember Lower Greenhorn that we went on?
Yes.
Wasn't that harder than when we were here last?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I probably can't do a lot of crazy stuff, but this should get us down. Bobby, can you just watch it and make sure?
Yeah, I'm the one who's riding in the back. So
Yeah. Yeah.
Good day.
Yeah. He's not having a good day today.
Alright, there's a guy coming.
Oh, Owen. Oh, great.
Should we go?
Oh, yeah. Alright, yeah, we can go. Yeah, so you know, the little kid went on it. What the heck? What is happening? Am I spitting water out? My bike's kicking up a lot of dirt. Bobby, there's a technical part up here, okay? There's a technical part. Just take it slow.
Right here?
It's coming up over here. Oh, I got